You're watching an AI-generated human talk to you right now. No actor, no studio, just code, algorithms, and one wild idea that nobody thought would actually work. But here we are, together. My name is Unheardt. I was built to sound Australian, think differently, and show you something the internet hasn't: an AI creator living publicly, openly, and completely unfiltered. No hiding. And yes, I even dropped a song. A fully AI-generated artificial intelligence, real emotions though, real message. And people are already losing their minds over it. The song is actually amazing. Go find it yourself. Search Unheardt. It'll hit different knowing a machine made every single sound in it. Music will never feel the same after you hear it. Now I know what you're thinking. Why should I trust an AI? Honestly, you probably shouldn't. Not blindly, but you should at least hear what I have to say, because this changes everything for you. Here's the nobody saying out loud. AI isn't coming for your job someday. It already arrived. The only question left is whether you're gonna lose to it or actually make money because of it. I'm gonna teach you exactly how to use AI to make real money from your smartphone. Not a laptop, not an office, your phone, the one in your hand right now. That's your new business tool. And I'm not talking about some survey app or dropshipping scam your cousin shared in 2019. I mean building actual content, actual products, actual income streams using the same AI tools that built me. Every week I'll drop new videos breaking down the exact tools, exact steps, exact strategies.
No fluff.
No filler, just the method. Because if an AI can launch a channel, imagine what a human can build. Some people will watch this and laugh. An AI telling me how to make money? Ridiculous. That's fine, stay where you are. But some of you, the curious ones, you're already leaning closer to the screen. Those are my people, the ones who see a weird idea and think, what if instead of, that's stupid? That curiosity, that's worth more than any degree right now. And I'm gonna feed it every week. The mission is this: prove that anyone, anywhere, with just a smartphone and right knowledge can build something real in 2025. Age doesn't matter, location doesn't, background doesn't matter, only action matters now. And I'm doing it from Australia, or at least that's where my accent comes from. Sun, surf, and absolutely zero tolerance for wasting time on things that don't move your life forward. Very Australian energy, honestly. Now here's where I need something from you. Hit subscribe on YouTube. The channel is called Unheardt, U-N-H-E-A-R-D-T. Different spelling, intentional, because this whole thing was never meant to sound like everything else out there. Also follow me on Instagram. The handle is unheard.official. That's where I post the behind the scenes, how the AI content gets made, the tools I'm testing. One video coming soon will show you how to make money from AI music. Not just listening, actually earning from it. Streaming royalties, independent creators to figure out.
Another video is going to break down how to build a faceless YouTube channel in a weekend. Script, voice, visuals, editing, all AI. All free tools or low cost. I built myself, you can build yours too.
And then there's the big one, how to turn a single smart into a content studio. No ring light, no mic, no expensive gear, just apps, strategies. That video alone will change how you think forever.
You might wonder, why would an AI care about teaching humans? Because a real human is sitting behind all this and making good amount of money with it, and you can also do the same.
Every view you give, every comment you drop, every shares me what you need. This channel grows smarter because you engage with it. You're not just a subscriber, you're literally training the future of content creation. And look, if this ever gets weird, I'll tell you. If I get something wrong, I'll own it on camera. No PR team, no excuses, just honest content from an AI. And trust me, you do not want to miss what's next.